Look at William riding his bike. Oops. All right, we'll try again. I'll get you started. No, wrong way. You want to go this way?
I'm turning around.
Oh, okay. Which way are you going to go?
This way.
This way? It's tiring, isn't it? Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead and get your feet on the pedals, and there we go. Go! Look at you, William. Can you slow down now?
Okay.
Try to.
I'm doing it without training wheels.
Boy, that's awesome.
Isn't that great?
I'm so impressed. Yay! Where's Bennett?
He's at the house playing with a frisbee.
Oh no, I'm tempted to get Josh out here to play.